Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change language in H&M. Okay, so for you to change language is pretty very simple. Okay, so the first thing is to launch the H&M app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for H&M and tap install. Once installed, open the app. Now, click on the account icon at the bottom corner of the screen and sign in if you have an existing account, or sign up to create a new account if it's your first time. Once logged in, you can just go ahead and tap on the account icon that is typically presented by personal profile silhouette. Now, I absolutely do not know why it just goes blank once I click on the account icon, but it just goes to show that H&M is very security conscious. And okay, so this is the most likely excuse that I would like to give for that. All right, so but I'm just definitely going to share what to do, or it's also based on my restrictions, because I'm not permitted to use H&M in the country I'm in. But then I'm just using a hack to this, right? But then just go ahead and select account. And once you select the account icon, it's going to take you to this page where you have a couple of options. You have others, you have H&M membership, you have settings. Now select settings. So once you select settings, it's going to take you here where you have edit information. Select edit information and scroll down. You see that there is no direct option that allows you to change language in the app, but you can change your you can add your phone number with the country, and you can enter your zip code, and you can enter the markets, which includes the address, which includes your address and the country that you're in. Now you can go the way back and select add new address and add your address. Now delivery address and billing address to reflect the country that you're in. So once you input the address that you're in or the country that you're in, the app is just going to be displayed in the country that matches the address that you fixed in. It's going to display the language rather that matches the country that you imputed. Another way is to just go ahead and connect to H&M support and let them know that you like to change your app language. So that's how it works. Also, you can also change your app language in your device's settings. Okay, you can change your device language in your device setting, which will reflect in H&M as well. So I'll go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.